The new web accessibility standards frown upon the use of PDF documents within websites. However, there may be cases in which PDFs are required. Any PDF that is uploaded to a website must comply with accessibility standards. This involves making sure the content inside the document is accessible and the document itself is saved out as a PDF-A format. You can achieve this by using two online tools that are free. PAVE is an online tool that can be used to check and edit a PDF's content to ensure that it is fully accessible. To begin the process, click Start PAVE. You are then able to upload your PDF into PAVE to allow it to check the document. PAVE can automatically fix a number of issues within the document, and in this example it has automatically corrected 18 issues. It will then highlight and allow you to fix any other issues within the document. The two most common issues with PDFs are that they don't include a title and the images within them do not have an alternative text. PAVE allows you to correct both of these. We're going to start by fixing the title missing issue by clicking Edit Properties, where you'll be able to insert your title. We also suggest you fill out all the fields within the Properties tab too, such as language, author, subject, and a few keywords. Click Save once done. We'll then go in and fix Figure has no alternative text issue by clicking Show Issue Details. This will tell us where the issue is, and in this case it's on page 1. We'll then fix this by adding the alternative text to the image. We suggest always adding a language when it tells you to. You can then add your descriptive alternative text, remembering not to use image of or graphic of. Click Save once done. We'll then head back to Tasks. We can now see a new issue has been alerted to us. This is regarding the reading order. PAVE cannot check this automatically, so it's asking you to review the reading order before downloading the document. We suggest this is done, and that you go through each of the content elements, deleting any empty ones by clicking the delete icon, and editing both the document and each of the content elements to ensure that the element type is correct and the language is set. Once done, you are able to then download your accessible PDF. Corrected by PAVE will automatically add to the file name. This can be removed by renaming the document. PAVE will keep uploaded documents for a maximum of 3 weeks, unless you manually delete them before that time. We suggest deleting the document from PAVE as soon as you've corrected the file and downloaded it. We'll go back to PAVE and do this now. Click this drop down here and then click the delete icon. This will permanently delete the PDF from PAVE. The final step is to save this PDF in the PDF-A format, as when you currently view this document, the standard doesn't define itself as compliant. We're going to use another online tool called PDF Online to convert our PDF into an accessible format, PDF-A. All we need to do is upload our PDF that we downloaded from PAVE. Once it has been processed, we can then download it. PDF Online will store your PDFs until you delete them. As we suggested before, once you've downloaded the PDF in the PDF-A format, delete the PDF from this tool. To do this, hover over the PDF and click the X. Make sure you also remove it from the recent file list. With both of these tools, please do not upload any document with sensitive or patient identifiable data. If you have something with sensitive or patient identifiable data on and need it in an accessible PDF, please contact the web team first. But this file now claims compliance. This means that the PDF will now have no accessibility issues with the content within it and the document itself, because we've used these two online tools. We advise using these tools to check every existing and new PDF to ensure that you are fully compliant with the accessibility standards. Make sure you're asking these questions too. Does this need to be a PDF? And can this content be on a page instead?